Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial using Coconut Curling Cream by Cantu on a super defined twist out. And the only thing I did was use the curling cream on freshly washed hair. I have no other product in my hair. So what you're going to do first is kind of section it off a little bit. I usually start in the middle, but I'm going to be doing the sides first just to get the hair away from my freshly pierced piercing. And I apply generous amounts of the Cantu curling cream throughout my hair, and I really just apply it in every section that I do. It's super moisturizing, and it smells good, and it just leaves my hair very soft and silky. And it's really a great everyday cream to use. I can put it on my hair and my hair feels like I've spritzed water on it. Like, that's just how moisturizing it feels. So all I do here, just section it, and you can do big twists or you can do small twists. I kind of like do between medium and big ones. I usually do bigger twists after I've already done the twist out initially, just because I get really lazy and it's a lot of work to twist my hair because it's so thick. But you can do small twists. They come out very nice, and you can even leave them in. I usually don't leave my twists in, but yeah. So just take it section by section and make sure you apply generous amounts. My hair was still pretty damp, so I didn't feel like I needed any water. And with the Cantu, you don't really need anything. Like I said, it keeps it feeling very moist. Like, I can put Cantu in my hair and it instantly curls up automatically. So just take your time, ladies, and trust me, the twisting part is like the worst part. And don't worry, the cream does dry, so if there's like a lot left over, like coming from the twists, it'll go away. So as you can see, these twists, well, hopefully you can see, these twists are really soft, really moist. Like, they're moist to the touch just from the curling cream. And this is like one of my new favorite products so far. I've tried Cantu in the past and not sure which product I use, but this one's really great. To dry my hair, I sat under the dryer. I have a hooded dryer. I recommend either going a day or so. If you can go as long as possible without taking these down, they'll come out even better. But I'm impatient, so I sat under a hooded dryer for about 30 minutes or so. I didn't really time it, but I sat until they felt dry. I also pinned them on top of my head, so I took the ends and just kind of used bobby pins to keep them up just so they stay under the dryer, and they came out 100% dry. But a lot of people leave them in overnight and just sleep on it and take it down in the morning, but for me that's not always, my hair doesn't always dry fully, so I just use my dryer because it's way more convenient. And after you let it dry completely, then you just take them down. Once you take down your twist, you can go ahead and kind of fluff it out a little bit. When you take it down, make sure you don't over fluff, just because the curls can end up getting frizzy and you can lose that definition. And you want to keep that definition because that's what makes a twist out look really good. So make sure when you go through each section, you just kind of gently spread it apart just to give it enough volume and to fill in any gaps from being sectioned off. And there you have it, the perfect twist out, and it's super moist. And like I said, the Cantu curling cream works really, really well. It is my everyday moisturizing product, even when I leave my hair in a bun or just any kind of style. I love using the Cantu, and it's just my top favorite product right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know how you styled your hair. Did you do a twist out? I haven't done one in so long, so I was like, well, this video is kind of overdue. But let me know if you want to see any more styles. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, thumbs down if you didn't. I don't really care. Hit that subscribe button and just stay tuned for my next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you later. Bye.